world. Please check out my brother's channel Prabanjan Entertainment and sister's channel Image Performance. Today we are going to unbox Jurassic World dinosaur egg. First I am going to open. Oh, I got Parasaurolophus. Next, I am going to open. I also got a Parasaurolophus. Now I am going to open. Oh, I also got the same one. Next one. Oh my gosh. Oh. Again same one. Yes. These both are going to fight. These both are fighting. Oh my god. How it's going? They are fighting. Fight nicely. Nothing's there. Oh, because I'm great this egg. See? Jumping. Oh, jumping. Both is going. Oh. Let's play football. Football. Oh no. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in the next video. Bye. Click that icon to see my brother unboxing the Velociraptor.